Hey everyone, and thanks for connecting to my channel. Check out this Valentine's Day tablescape. Valentine's Day doesn't always have to be red and white colors. You can create your own color palette and your own color scheme. I shopped my home and selected items that I already had in inventory. Check out this new video. Simple, but a very elegant and intimate setting. Let that be the goal for your Valentine's Day home decor tablescapes. Thanks again for watching, and connect with me again real soon. Until next time, bye-bye.